Chicken.
Wait.
You want some chicken? Or that's a chicken.
Stop covering yourselves.
I can't help it.
It's too damn bright. Chicken.
I don't look pretty. I don't look pretty.
Please. Because any of us do.
I can't see.
Chicken.
Wait, Margaret, come here. I couldn't see, the flash was in my eyes. Oh my gosh.
You're a pig. You're a pig.
Stop hitting me with the glow stick. Stop, Margaret.
Ouch.
Okay, you win. Alright, you win. Take the flash off.
No.
No.
Go put it
That's Margaret's